Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. We're planting Geranium Pink Penny. And Geranium Pink Penny is a fantastic geranium or crane skull. Flowers non-stop, starts around April and finishes in October. Isn't that just fantastic? Grows about 30 centimeters high, foot high, and spreads about 2 feet. But it's really, really colourful and tough and hardy, and it'll be here for years and years to come. We've been planted. That's a wonderful thing about planting hardy perennials. We took a decent sized planting hole. We've mixed in a little bit of SWELL compost. We're going to put a handful of Super Thrive in here as well. Super Thrive is the fertilizer to use when you're planting your plants. It reduces transplant shock, builds plant vigor, and is slowly released for the plant. So just a half handful or so mixed in when you're planting all your plants makes a huge difference and establishes your plants very well. And then once you mix a bit of SWELL compost with it, then you have a fantastic bed to start off any plant in. So out comes Geranium Pink Penny. So from April right through until September time, or even later, went into October last year, they're fantastic. And will grow foot high and just fill out this area here with non-stop colour over those months. Go sleep for winter and come back again next year. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.